Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how you can use Todoist, your ultimate tool for daily task planning in 2025. First things first, you'll want to create a new project. This is where you'll store all the tasks related to a specific goal or area of your life. Just click on the plus new project button and give it a name. The reason we do this is to keep our tasks neatly organized and easy to navigate. Now that we've done that, let's move on to adding tasks. Simply click on the Add Task button, type in the task, and press Enter. This helps us because it allows us to keep track of all our daily tasks in one place. You can even prioritize your tasks with different colors to identify their urgency. Next up, we use the Due Date feature. Click on a task and then click on Schedule. Here, you can select a specific due date or even set up recurring tasks. This is a lifesaver for remembering those weekly meetings or daily reminders. The last key step is to use labels and filters. Assign labels to your tasks for better categorization, and use filters to view tasks based on their priority, project, or due date. This helps us because it allows us to view our tasks in a way that suits our working style and preferences. And just like that, you've mastered the basics of using Todoist for daily task planning. Remember, the key is to keep everything organized and prioritize wisely. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time.